artists, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing Toto from Wizard of Oz. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're gonna draw a character of the Wizard of Oz movie. This was a request for one of my little artists, and I hope you find this lesson easy. We're gonna start here in the middle of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do is a nose. So we're gonna start with a curve. This is gonna be a big nose since this is a cartoon character, and then we're gonna go doing a letter U underneath. And now we're gonna fill this with black, but we're gonna leave a space up here for the shine of the nose. So I'm making an oval shape, and that oval shape is gonna stay white, and we're gonna fill with black all around it. Next, we're gonna mark where his mouth starts. So we're gonna do a little line here, and I'm passing the marker 3 times so the line goes thicker. Now let's trace the mouth all around the nose. So I wanna start here on the top, and we're gonna do a circle. And I wanna start pressing the marker, or if you're using pencil, try to press it a little bit against the paper so your lines can go a little bit more straight. And we're gonna connect up here. Okay, so this is the part of his mouth. Now we're gonna do the eyes, and we're gonna start with 2 oval shapes really close to the circle. So I'm gonna start here with the first oval shape, and my oval is touching the circle, and I'm gonna do the same thing in the other side. Now we're gonna do a highlight for the eye, and we're gonna leave a little circle here on the top in both oval shapes, and we're gonna fill with black around it. Now we're gonna do 2 little eyebrows on top of the eye. So the first one goes here, and so we're gonna make a line, and then we're gonna do a curve, and then we connect again down here. Let's repeat those steps. We start with a line, then we do here up here a curve, and then we come down kind of like finishing in a point, and I'm also filling this with black. Next, we're gonna draw the head. So I'm gonna do a curve that goes all around the eyes and the eyebrows. So I'm gonna start here on the center. Here we can put a little dot, and we're gonna come down passing the eyes. So I'm gonna come curving, coming down and past the eyes, and I'm stopping here in the middle of the mouth. Now let's do the same thing here. We're gonna curve around the eyes, and we're gonna come down here. Next, we're gonna do like a little bit of a fair. Next, we're gonna do fair on him. Now we're gonna do a couple triangles. So we're gonna come like this, and in this side, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna do 1, 2, and 3 triangles. Now before we continue with the body, I'm gonna do the ears, and I'm just gonna make 1 big triangle on the top and another one here. Now for the body, we're gonna keep it super simple. We're gonna just do a curve that comes down and do kind of like a letter L. Now we're gonna do the same here and curve. Now we're leaving a big space here for the paws, and we're gonna keep it super simple. We're gonna do 2 half a circle. So I'm gonna start in this one, and I'm gonna go up and come down. Now in this one again, up and come back down, and we're gonna close this one with a curve and a curve. And we can even put little lines here, 1 and 2 lines. Now we're gonna do the back legs, and I'm just gonna do a half a circle on each side. 1, 2, and we're gonna put 1 line in each side. And the very last thing, we're gonna do a teensy weensy tail. You can choose the side you want your tail. I'm gonna put it on the right side, and I'm just gonna do up and down with a triangle. And there, that's it. We finished this little puppy who is Toto from Wizard of Oz. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors. It was super easy. Just choose 2 tones of gray. The first one a little light than the second one. And once the colors dry, you can go over one more time with the markers just to give it a little bit of shadows here and here underneath his mouth. And this make your picture look better. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.